Upgrade your driving experience with these 5" by 7" sealed beam LED headlights from Daytona Lights, the DL-5X7. Remove trim panel around the headlight using a screwdriver and pry tool. Remove screws securing the retaining ring using a screwdriver. Remove retaining ring and set aside. Then, unplug the light and remove. Using a multimeter, locate the 12-volt wire for the turn signal and the 12-volt wire for the parking light. These can be found at the respective lights. Once identified, connect the red wire of the new light to the parking light wire, and the green wire of the new light to the turn signal wire. Connect the H4 connector to the factory harness, then insert the new light into the housing bucket. Reinstall the retaining ring. Secure the retaining ring with the factory screws. Test the low beam, high beam, parking light, and turn signal. Perform any needed adjustments on the new headlights. The adjustment is to properly aim the lights to generate the correct beam pattern. Details on the procedure can be found in the vehicle service manual. Reinstall trim panel, then repeat on the other side. For any more information on this product or any products from Daytona Lights, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or visit us on metraonline.com. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.